Nyame adom de akyɛ.
The body ase Atwima Nwabiagya Amoah tene for the very first time na himfa na wo. Mo ne hwan mo na bohye.
Yo, medase. Memfa konya so na menchia wo ne watiefo ne ahwefo mo Facebook nyina. Na mfa nchia kosonkonso ma o mampanyini na nado dankwakufu ano. Ene na bedi akyire vice president. Ene party mpadimfo a omo Atwima Nwabiagya ene asantmentam nyina. Na maba hedi no se me chia me bra panyini transport minister.
Okay.
Atwima Nwabiagya mensi kanin na ye Atwima district.
Okay.
Na sa time no na Atwima present day Atwima Mponua part of it. Present day Atwima Nwabiagya north part of it, and the Atwima Nwabiagya south also part. Na amampeni kufo na ochemu ema ebenya Atwima Mponua ne anya Atwima Nwabiagya.
Okay.
Atwima Nwabiagya no so no and subsequently ebenya north and south.
Right.
Nti north no ewo Barakesi and south no ewo Nkawie district capital and municipal capital Nkawie. Na yene Atwima Mponua fo na bohye. Na omo member of parliament no honorable Ezekiel former sports minister. Ana yesign Atwima Kwangoma bohye. Honorable Amankwa Menu ono no empesu asoro no. Ana akọ Atwima Nwabiagya north nso a ye no mbo ehye ewo ekropon oba kwada so municipal assembly nso a ye no mbo ye ne yasantoa na ebo ehye ewo horom enti Atwima Nwabiagya na fe ye ne amansie western so ebo hye enti these are the municipalities and districts are you know more about a share.
Okay, into Atwima Nwabiagya more population size.
Yeah, no, you cannot say exactly the number of people currently have because at time we census on na 2 districts near Bomo.
Okay.
But conservative estimate be put here around 200,000.
Wow.
Yes,
200,000 is a modoso pa. And I ba Atwima Nwabiagya ba dodo na adwuma ben na omo ye.
Dodo no Canadian nkekua pa no.
Okay.
But I say because you're very close to Kumasi, very close to Kumasi intino. Any Kumasi nebo mention panza Canada Kumasi nebo share wo yasantoa and then yati municipalities be free Kumasi.
Right.
Into kwana so no mboshe. Intino say any Kumasi bentino. The one I say commerce, trade, and the one
right.
So basically, these are the 3 major farming and commerce and trade. Yeah.
Right. I was here 24 minutes after 9. This year, no one joining Adom 106.3 FM. Atwima Nwabiagya Municipal Chief Executive, Honorable Michael Amoah Awuku, and you know, but Honorable, you say Galamsey Kosu wo hopa. Galamsey Kosu pa. And I idea this week, yadi hun come up. No cry na no cry.
Min tanka se Galamsey enkoso me ho ba se usika se Galamsey koso me ho pa no eno na me no nya adwene because me no enclave na gold no no some tiny line bi along the
Kakrebi.
Yes, very tiny place into nya dia se pa se de usika no
ba se motu
dia high no dia high pa no ye Galamsey koso or water bodies and so that is our major problem.
I say no see Galamsey obetimi adjoin on Facebook na fe watch a video way honorable ensure na se chamfano se DNC so and crofo ye adwuma no but honorable ye nhwe Galamsey no ye nim se enka omampani si ye tu ase nti eba ne say na still a koso wo area. Yes,
I think say Galamsey no on the land no. And yet we can handle it, we can control it to a large extent. It's very difficult. I'm not saying I mean trying to say bia ne kono eda form. Inti pempino beti na amanfo kan na ban na war absuja for ban na war police for you are in charge of security and that kind of stuff. It's not as easy as it is. Because we are dealing with human institution. Human institution. You cannot have everything perfect. It's very difficult to fight this thing. May catch, oh yes, may catch, oh, you need resources. You need you need the entire community, to be involved for them to say no. Otherwise, it is not an easy task.
But about the approach I had fight galamsey and yadi a bit to me to us here.
I mean, approach for how come was
because yet a task force, interministerial committee on illegal mining, no more call round, excavators.
Exactly. The task force that sort do not live within the community. The task force are from somewhere. We more the information in a yajuma. Okay, my friend say in this is my friend multimedia, and I'm in charge of security. Yes, say a friend say, aha. And I say, Bia, maybe municipality, for example, who be a year galamsey honum. You be receive information and son about my Atwima.
Yeah.
Of course, won't be free and call a year, maybe municipal, baby, a year's idea and bra, own fa, shantia bingo, because you need to be secured with security, very important.
Yeah.
Say, oh, the car. There are times places are we could be to idea or to be a more and I say be out be a credit to be an say and yet a moon or two. We be a headed next you say, oh, who can be a chum was or catch them. What is the yes, into Uber not Obia deserted.
Okay.
So what did them so much for us? Baby, one more. With me, I could lay a beer and I do with my coin. I'm matching before some baby with my co. Aquatic.
Early ambush or
but Womutra, a man act one in such a way say, won't bring a day and go home.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. Almost some more use machines, I can say. Into trap a man and soon channel and is no actually.
Okay.
No, yet, mano. Into a cobbles almost more yet, and so won't bring a day and call baby up.
I know, but as MCE is a task force, you know, a mobile municipality. I'm no dinky town.
And yet I bring
identity because
I bring because almost acting on intelligence.
No, but you are the MCE there.
Yes.
One name area no better than them. And the other now on being invaded with territory or Mumbo Amania.
I know, dear, that matter has come up before. In fact, even with our discussion with the president, as to the challenges I go through, our Galamsey fight, it has come up before. And in fact, and non amount yes, even in the issuance of the community mining licenses, the municipalities and districts must be involved going forward. The chiefs must be involved. So that is the decisions that we have come to.
No, yeah, back community mining for a task force.
No, what I'm saying is I will be say I didn't tell people bar.
Yeah.
Now, and I said in the past, that was not the case. Because they also act on intelligence because you are setting up secretaries controlled by somebody under somebody's guard.
Yes.
And to be on intelligence based on intelligence, I want to be ABI and then more joy for me.
Yeah.
And I'm more a Adom FM, more Hanum, but we'll be with my phone. Afraid, Wabamania say, you be a coso. Based on that intelligence, no, with my dispatch in the past, without even going through.
Yeah, but I'm a bit surprised because the structure, no, you are the president of the municipality, and he obeying to me and bow territory without informing you. Not just a one person, you cannot be trusted.
Well, meant to say you cannot be trusted, but it on one person the intelligence, the type of intelligence I run on. So what I say, Abia na semeni involved. I don't see why the superiors and Abia those placed in charge. Some person they want to friends closing on me, they will necessarily have to inform me. So what else?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It depends on the nature of intelligence. So what I say, this thing, me say, we're very sophisticated. Galamsey for no. I'm not saying robbers. I'm robbers.
Really?
They are always ahead of you.
Really?
See, you can see, you may not appreciate the enormity of the challenge now making one.
Okay.
You need to be there, or so what it is.
Hey, and Galamsey to Kwana Dempa.
And I'm telling you, say, we are resourceful enough. And I will say me danya say we started this fight early. And Cassidy, Omusi Cassoni as in Quebec and guerrilla friends saying challenges away or my madam.
Wow.
Because okay, say my penny starts you know be social media at their present say or power on don't challenge or power on tries obey.
Yeah.
This is how daring they can be. There are instances how which we know the police vote to be caught, baby. Or corner share a two idea of how we share on more. They're not. The communities themselves cannot even voice out. Me too call operation. Who corner be some party force share I could see young party near structures no. Every community be an a 12 baby and young executive or about 5. Community people be one more which be as many as 15 executives are we party for. Then I ask them, you are my ears, you are my eyes. I cannot be everywhere. I don't know your community very well, sir. You are here and you live with them. I didn't think I want to for phone them first say we cause. They can't do it. I see because the community themselves sometimes are involved. The community are involved. Uba that's what Humusu so be operation. Say MCE about community be what operation what you onipa. Na obo Humusu say oh and I do it. I believe I make a community be no. Me try say many party for the bed e be share. Simple me commission project run me invite to omo. E be a number of number of delegates or and people a party executive mo no ma from e be a me kwa na me jom kwan na me ko. Because being that time no nim komo. Yeah. But my mama ba me jom kwan okay mom baby be fan to near those kind of stuff. I do that. Some more time me kure villages in a few Ubo Humusu kokochia will be hodom that night no that person will not sleep. Also 23 komo.
Honorable not just
because the you say the believe in say ono na akobo MCE amane this amane ama ono ababa ye sa operation na hodo.
Honorable not just mo ankasa mo nkrofo na ye galamsey no. Party here sika.
No, won't yes. I was me no the ndia wo ka say abia making appointed to 18 like said they're okay.
No, because if we party for omunim because you don't have your eyes everywhere. Wasu ni babia. Na omunim se galamsey cause omuntu mi bo MCE amania. That's omo na ye.
Akosi, who for say wo e wo community any of the communities make am wasem. Na wabo mamanie. And I say obi abo mamanie mpo. Na given how involved that community na no. Say me baba chia ofie na say amanfo ba attack wa oboka catch them say biasa na you want to come close to me.
Honorable site wa visit so far why mo na machi omo so omo ye galamsey wo
me ma pictures be pictures na me show no e bi ho no mo a
ado bi am pacho fato Facebook man.
I'm not able to see it myself.
Oh me ba o Facebook
but now I should have been
producer so they mombo no ba o dey kasa okay e say me ho chamfa na since you so
baby ho no mo a you know say me wo task force yes I assembly man kasa na I act task force they fight these things together with the police one be baby no insuo no baby omo insuo no
me ho police for me no be a
yes okay but when we say baby so call the other friends videos no abu say baby task force for no ete kodo no mutimu no omo man ni ntwi omo so kura no modwa obi na volunteer obi na volunteer na odo omo ye den eko and that person has run out of that community as I will speak with you.
And I'm gonna assassin on my say ni say wa municipality no
me say
any issue hwe
me say and na me catch was say ensuo no so no ensuo no so na e kan wa so no baby no omo wo the other side of the
me task force omo na ti kodo no ma
obi also be ti on no share black and blue no volunteer so don be the ebe cop area no.
Wow.
And that person has run away from that community as I speak with you. Because one only did the part more the idea about. But also who say the other friend say side of the river bank. And machines no so war videos war the other end.
Okay.
But they can't swim there. So they could see them. Almost but want to be married swimming in the ankle.
Then a mom pen for money my barrier.
And I decided, I said, okay, we haven't pep boys now, things would be a no kutuam near Momuya. No show videos be a kahua. Yeah. Who say, baby, or more a young you behind you. Exactly, yeah, me. Because now, Mikochi ringleaders, not or no buy us or one by but say, young use woman. I'm more coming, no can be. Eh, no can be. And I want to say that Galam saying to Kwayen to Minko. What I'm saying is, say, so a big super war. A river bodies, river bodies, if you want to stop Galam say on our river bodies, like the first deputy speaker of parliament said, I'm not for Canada panel. If you don't treat such individuals as nation wreckers, you almost say armed robbers. We can never stop it. Let be honorable. I'm telling you. No, but shoot and kill. So there, you can. Okay. Then stop complaining. You can kill an innocent person. Stop complaining. I didn't think people will be shot. No, so you're the two corner. Police for me to hear that it be shoot. Obe to me akoto obi on sioswa and yes or ye galam say. And I'm too who's galam say. Champagne now. No, who's the party? No, but who shooting now? Okay. Because you say champagne now. Champagne. Mewupa. Hey, na nipa na atiasi you kwaye mu omo. Na ni badodo we omofe nyina de sofi ni ade ade obi na akotwa anya abugu baabi ene wo horo ade na gusuo yes eti wo ko me ko am kwachi wo no e ntu abana me this abakankan we dia me I don't need it. We don't need it. Na but honorable won't mean njina we so nka say shoot and kill anya dia me me ka ensuo no why we all complaining? We are complaining. Ghanaians are enraged about Galamsey forest. Ghanaians are angry about Galamsey on our river bodies because the river bodies are being destroyed. The forests are going away. These are the areas that Ghanaians don't want to hear Galamsey happening. No, but are you saying that the only way any shoot and kill? So how do you go there? You, the Amoah. Now you can't swim. Nipa so ko anadwuna ebi kura koye hwe na nka bi nchiro ebi wa kura otumi ku se machine na esu wo babia no studio wey machine na esu kokokoko there's no access to that place you have to swim from a point before you can get there also dware and also you kudo na de ko from a point and say what make could do sa bia ho no. Honorable, yedim say aban eto drones are na ye dey survey. Okay, fine. Galamsey site. Okay, fine. Yes, it's a well-known fact. Yes, it's a well-known fact. About how many drones fly? How many drones in the world? They say drones no there are two. Oh, two. Yes. And a survey municipality. Yes. Really. Drones no. Drones no. I friends say an anti-VM. I trap pictures. Not say. These are the areas now. Okay. But we are municipal chief executive. We police for na Adom kodo, they can swim. We task force na create and crown, they can swim. Until you say omu point A. Now before you get to point A, you have to start from perhaps point B say D. But before you get to point D, also Jerry and I say we could go from point A to that place. How do you go there? No, but honorable, I'm a bit surprised to say Mobeti task force, knowing very well say Mokoye insuo Nwajuma. Ya wa navy. Because task force no moti military ka homeboa, police ka ho. And navy for ye say ban insuo a mo na ye. Mobeti task force a navy for nka ho mbetimi adware. No makwati police for come in municipality asem. Yes, we say. No, we said what are the DCs, MCEs, what are they doing? That's what we are talking about. Yeah, but so what are you are asking me? What is it that we are doing on our own? Yes, to fight this thing. Yes, and I'm telling you, sir, at the municipal level, these are the challenges that we go through. But the external task force in interministerial. Now, how many of our river bodies we are going to be use a year faso? Between the use even canoe and as a biade at first boot faso. But how many of our river bodies? No, but you can't say I mean. No, don't run away from that point. Just. What's say how many of our river bodies in between the bia canoe? Friends and boot I faso. And then canoe na was but canoe to be faso. Make sure say,
yeah.
And I'm saying, how many of our river bodies in my idea?
No, but once it's a canoe, and there to me far river body biaso. Canoe, yeah, canoe, and yes, speedboat.
And I'm a canoe,
yeah,
minimum paddle.
And there was here
a pro or paddle. Now that person is also compromised.
Oh, okay.
And I was telling you, that's exactly what I was telling you.
Oh, okay.
Say, I didn't hear can once. One more, me, see, you could do a moment to swim. Because me task force was something they don't know how to swim. Until you see a pair nipper materials when woman would carry, you don't come. Yeah, before we could finish with the process of that, the recruitment process. Maybe you are next year, I'm no more involved. For now, more years I got them saying.
But before I ever compromise your beauty side means one case you are not motivating them enough.
Yeah, but the point is that how many of our assemblies are, and let me tell you. Say Okoye even land those who are even doing on the land no. So Okoye operation back one. It will cost you not less than 25 to 30,000
for just one
operation.
Really?
Oh yes. When you even ask for the support of the military, they'll give you a budget.
Hey.
Oh yes. When you ask for the support of the military, they'll give you a budget.
And so far, Ahena was say on this galamsey.
I will not be able to put a finger.
Was spending.
I will not be able to put a finger.
But
a figure.
But at least was spending about 1 million Ghana cedis.
1 million Ghana cedis. I don't think that would be in SS. I don't know. That would be too on a higher.
Okay, but at least about 500,000. There was say on.
Yes. Yes.
Just to fight it.
Yes.
And you are not successful.
And you fight here. No make us say why are you not successful? Because we don't have the resources to be able to do it that much.
Okay, so Honorable Mamentiasie, typically, say walk of fight galamsey biseya. What are the equipment are we here to fight to go to a site?
Well, apart from security, we here low bed.
Okay.
Low bed no. Saying case over from machine you cry if you want more.
Okay.
We be here low bed no.
Okay.
Low bed no or corner bar. One your crown over 6,000 to 7,000 cities. Or corner ko to you say I didn't immobilize you so mind you or coco do on or bar or 6,000 cities or that 7 times over.
Wow.
So I was as a fuel. Yes. So and sana ebia omo no mbe kono ne ade nyina so be motivate you omo. And na we ye no fi ho no mo so a we here be ti say canoes ya obi a obetimi ide ayentina ka say enye friends say both human and material resources now. Enti obekọ ba ko mbeba no na woka. Enti how many times can you do it? That's what I say.
Okay.
And the common fund comes say even if it is regular a quarter. How much do you have for your quarter? Set pay or they spend that much money and son what be thinking about development, because mind you that you are not you cannot go back and tell the people say I couldn't fix this school because I was using the money to fight galamsey. There are other competing interests, and I say so we need resources to be able to do it. And I make it say it is doable, not that easy because of the people involved. Hey, I tell you, many communities, those communities now along the river bodies, no, many people share. I am for assembly members and even committee for no mean share. Then I say you live with the people, and the Argentina, Mama will be free baby day eba, Krumo, Mobabe say river body. In fact, on my various reasons, because community members and Kasana involved or Hinako Kakrana won public can go there, and they were chiefs and no meeting Krumo. If you like her, more than some you have resource enough. Multimedia, I mean, some we are resource enough.
Yeah.
Mopa, Modia Moon Phantom also. Now, my mother said, but the moon quiet, we want to find out why it is not still, it's so easy for us to get to the bottom of this one. na mo na some independent assessment of the situation. You
Honorable Ahemfo ye galamsey wo municipality.
Me knew him be o galamsey wo me hode.
Chinese for
if you feel sir me who can Chinese ni bia.
Chinese for.
Sure.
But Ghana for na ye.
And I make catch say no more e chi omo dey they are Ghanaians.
Ghanaians na ye.
Yes, omo e kwachi omo dey they are Ghanaians.
Ojitum say wo party for ye bi.
Me nim party ni bi o me constituency a o ye bi da.
Party ni bia
da and I'm kwachi obi man kan jam say mo e na say obi.
Na say bia we your party ni ba wonim.
So how do I answer that?
And I'm more executives, omo yi omo ni show.
Any hono mo a we me part of me executive or no we be.
And I be there.
Until how do I answer?
But much you more pointy.
What you be a no feel like we say go ye. And I believe you didn't tell picture be am chono. Yeah. Picture be am make us nipa be hono mo no. That's we didn't matter because what the machines no or pumping is really free. Or the machines assisting soon and or pumping basro.
Honorable Marco Galamsey site akochin croforma call a basa munjai omoda.
Not me.
Unko site bi ama call him by say ja omoda.
Crack.
Galamsey tokwa wo queen obi amfre o say
me say obi amfre me. And people I work with know me. People I work with some prime baha bisano. People I work with, people who know me, so you can't do because me no party no sabi you me nti ba bi na or you call farm say bia me of bi na ye party you me from my me I was there. What I say, me ne honorable Mustafa Hamid Moni amankwa me Samuel Esmoni ade we were there together. Into bin confirm me free baby my say nti no me won't win kan say obi e be frame catch them say nobody has done that. So they don't there. So they say and me catch us say what is the problem? Ghana for person betiano what is happening on our forest, in our forest, and what is happening on our river bodies. Because nobody has said small scale mining is bad. Nobody has said it. And now Atwima, we are getting about 40% of our earnings from these small things. So I say, if you can do it and do it well, why won't you do it? So what I say, but if you are doing it and doing it in a refined way, that is what we are all saying. So what I say.
I was here, 48 minutes after 9. And we're joining here, Honorable Michael Amoah Awuku, MCE, Atwima, Nwabiagya. And I'm in a chicken. Honorable, my member Facebook, now for comment to be about mankind. Now, Kwekumensa say, Asempa, Honorable has 3 concessions in the municipality and has people that are working on it for him, asking for me.
Who is that? This is wickedness.
We need 3 concessions.
The concession, I mean, define what the concession is, but I will not be able to tell you.
No, that one no kasa nyefa.
No, but
Obia will fight Galam say there. You know what a concession.
What I'm saying is, say, Ubisam say I should define what a concession means. I will not be able to tell you. So what's the concession? I know. As the person say, what's the concession?
But unim concession.
No. Tell me, say what concession say that.
No, but unim concession.
You cannot just throw something at all in the air like this and say, "Oh, he has 3 concessions."
No, but unim concession.
Me say what I'm trying to tell you is that I don't know anything about these things.
But
say Galamsey is that is the import of what I'm
saying. Marco. Unim my dear friend concession.
There's a concession here. Yamobi baby so on legal friend say mine activity or even so on harvest in Guyana say that's yes.
And who want me answer? Ah, mo ye Galamsey.
Was it fine? If you can't proclaim ka ko ni be municipal.
Atwima wa be Ghana say buy my boss so and
I'm say obisa no a obutu do because of more communities be on community ma ask the person say more communities be on for you know crowd because of communities crowd and municipality. Okay. Share wickedness. I mean, anybody to say that to impute this, no. Ever share wickedness. Okay. We are radio, so.
But you are winning baby a concession. Or I will bet me the aba. Or say, well, I can see Honorable is not comfortable talking about this issue. He's scared, and you can tell in his voice because maybe he might lose his position.
Oh, I wouldn't come here. Why am I scared? Why should I be scared of what? What should I be scared of? I mean, didn't you also make me through with you? I'm not involved. The national security people are working. The NIB people are working. I mean, so the presidency has its own way of assessing its own appointees. And what am I scared of? Why would I even talk about these things here?
Okay.
Yes. And what I want to tell you is say, some train radio so now more can't get MC than was Amoah. They are cast DC phone and DC phone. I'm telling you, say, we can do something on with the Galamsey, those that are happening on our land. That one, and no Americans and no and yet easy because of what I've said already. Finances, and then the people who have been recruited to ensure, say, anybody who enters within that they have got phones people are selling, they are not selling, they are not actually selling. By the involvement of the community themselves, sex people are not even able to volunteer information for you to you. I'm a they also quiet. So I say these are all the issues I can answer. But those that are happening on the river bodies, I maintain and I support the call by the first deputy minister, Speaker of Parliament. Say they are nation wreckers, they are evil, and they must be treated just like we treat armed robbers.
And how many people do shoot you?
Oh no, I don't have that power. Because unless
if you believe in it, okay, shooting.
No, I say any law. So I say any for now. If it's not a law. Just because somebody is destroying the river body, I will be on the wrong side of the law.
And Imran Badia, you shoot and kill.
I will advocate. I will add my voice to the call by the first deputy speaker of Parliament. Say, unless we treat those who are working on the river bodies. No, but why must people work on the? Do Galamsey on the river bodies? I don't also be a machine. Or no, the machine could see a new so. Now, what the friends and no hiding a gumu or no cravotic and or the alcohol. So I say, and all your dear no goose will not say so. Will be cocoa no downstream. I will be the cocoa no journey. And you think, say, that cannot be equated to will be a crap with this or to a kubi. So no idea cancer. How different is it from Obi on day a friend saying it work? How different are you for such a person? I'm telling you, I'll say it here. If you don't treat them as such, now we say some of them do it at night. The police that you have at your municipality, they can't swim. And even if they go and they see them, they are working at the other side of the bank. Maybe a company won't win at the end, there are no access. Where do you pass to go there? What's a fine alcohol?
And the Honorable Emrane Badia, you will shoot and kill.
I tell you, say, you know, so about me say, and so be one man, a better cobble. And so be a cobble, none to be no security.
Obeco be ours, you
say, you couldn't come your numian and one. I'm telling you, say, if you don't do it, that we should treat them as nation wreckers. You who almost say, almost saboteurs. That is how we should treat them. Somebody is destroying the river body.
But what you say the fight against Galamsey more failing?
How? If we have failed, all of us have failed.
Only why?
All of us, including you. Because once we want the machinery, we want the resources to dive into it. What I say, find out who exactly is doing what. And
you don't remember by your boy, I hear the bit to me. Oh, I see your feeling.
But say to you, if you leave it in the realm of speculation,
you have the power. We now control it as force. We don't control task force.
This is why I'm here. This is one of the reasons why I'm here. Even though there are a lot of things to talk about in my municipality.
Yeah.
And it could move for say, come on, baby, come on, be the air course.
Yeah, but Galamsey.
You spent all the time talking about this thing. Why? My people should know what is happening there. Those who are here in Accra, we will call for a very long time. We need the echo. And this is an opportunity for me, given a platform such as yours, to say something and somewhere across the home and say this is it. We are having to spend fighting these things at the expense of other development. At the expense of other development, I'm not for being trying to school. Teacher for proceed, teacher for baby. I'm person because baby are more chrono. Baby no better. Yeah, this kind of air kwaku galamsey. So to say, okoko chini panel na okoko to zwa. Ezo asip se kwa course kwa friend panel ka se bia. Ska wo de ko se wo de ko operation no. Ejemu sempo na kapre na fako because the court is going to apply the law as it is.
Alabo, my final question na ye DSC. Obisi galamsey for no edi sika brew ewa office. The reason why I would show na say was the fight against galamsey.
Me buy e na chese match.
Odi galamsey for sika.
Me say me buy.
Kanokrane.
Dientina, me say why would I come here?
Galamsey for sika say anyway.
Me say why would I come? Why would I accept this interview?
O say bia ni so de na wo beka but kokoro.
Something like you say, mo so mo yen. So that's because you also live within us. You have your own people there. You get to the bottom of this. Sabribiano, say, quiet, say, yes, say, will be say. Now, also, I'm working the capacity, and I trust multimedia. Say, multimedia has the capacity. Nobody can tell me, say, multimedia has not got the capacity to delve into some of these things. You have more than what it takes to do it. Do it. Get to the bottom, stay there for a few days, and find out who is involved, who is not involved.
Okay, my main picky way, I'll say, Asempa, good morning. Honorable just don't want to say the truth. The technique to fight galamsey on water bodies and rivers is not Navy swimmers, nor Navy commanders. Well, us is meant to swim to go for arrest. Navy do not swim for arrest. The best way is to place 24/7 security at the entry point of the river banks.
Entry point of the river banks. Entry point to the fine.
More kwa hefana mofa. Is it not an entry point?
I said to you, entry point to the fine. River no it was stretched.
Is it
so many thousands of a year it was stretched entrance.
So you I was so finding out all the entry point. But that's your duty.
Ah. Everybody can go for one tiadi na say.
But that's your duty.
No, me say you can on tiasi.
On the multimedia higher entry point, yeah, the security at to all the entry points.
Okay, my friend, catch you say. What the entry point na? Entry point and that point A. But operations na cost point Z.
Yes.
Another point A.
So you have identified point Z for security call.
What the friends say point. No, what I'm saying is that you now Awuku you have to swim from point A. To that place.
Yes.
To point A, B, D.
Hey,
how do you swim to that place?
Let's just say, honorable, you can't say the answer. Galamsey, you to fight you.
Me say.
But you sure say you better bruise you at point.
I can see. Who me say at the end?
And then
I say now, we say the so because you me fire. Me say.
Yes.
One more year Adom no war.
You to me Gary.
Me as MCE.
Yeah.
Yes. Police for a municipality.
Amoah
was Nwabiagya, but no call.
Obia Nwabiagya.
Who's a me a task force. Now you pictures at all. Nwabiagya. Can you more on the enamel? Obi crown a volunteer say, well, the that person has run away from that committee.
And to what task force Obia Nwabiagya, and that's the end to be fighting galamsey.
And I make us say, I'm telling you, sir, those working on our river bodies. If we don't treat them as robbers, we don't treat them as nation wreckers, then I tell you, say, we'll talk and talk. Like
that. Community mining and what the mama wish for party for an area.
Community mining for party, I wish any community mining, you were two aspects of it. Back home, business promoter. And now obekwa kwede obe ekwako pay concession na fe committee no I get involved.
Okay.
Ba ko bi wonso a assembly na lead na nananamo etimi ape ba bia yede ama.
Okay.
Na yede ayede aye.
Right.
Into a whole community issues in the can was some intent must say, and I say if it is community mine na a rock.
Okay.
And the rock no a bit me at a sabe be a picture be who.
Yeah.
And quite a miracle. And young more so in the bit my community a lot more people.
Honorable some drink count. That's it. Best right.
But you want my man can't me master more, and I don't say what boy met me. I get it. I've not been able to make my head clear. And I don't think so.
And I can't galam say asem. And the next time I don't be banu abe camp. And I galam. Until Atwima wa be for.
I was into me na makase. Galam say asem no enye ba ko fo asem.
Okay.
Right. The media, the security, the politicians, the community members, they are the chiefs. Everybody must support it.
Okay.
And this so otiho na obi amabo amani say dey we na kwa bit ma soro so kwa rounds na dia but bit ma friends one na say.
Right.
Somebody will have to give you information, and that information must be accurate. There was time be a Minerals Commission for Gophobia or more informants. Some informants no way. One no any Gophonam. It is opposite you must go just from one more. Na why like say Gophobia sa point to one more calabsi. No, yeah, Masha, and your friends say, low beds one when you now. No, once half. And one command lies, I'm like say, Massa, confirm what I'm saying to say you
as I'm drinking.
The very person who know information is you know.
I love your dance. Anyone who could see what I say.